Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be live swatching Dharma Lacquer polishes. I got 8 polishes with a little thank you note from Lori, which is the owner of Dharma Lacquer. And as well as the thank you note, I also got a little sticker that said thank you for supporting my small business. These are so very cute details, and thank you so much, Lori, for taking your time and sending these to me. The polishes all come individually packaged on these little bags with the Dharma Lacquer logo. As you can see, all you need to do is open up the bag and you'll get your polish right there. The polishes are very heavy and the actual component feels very nice, very sturdy. I got a total of 8 polishes. I got 6 color polishes and 2 top coats. Out of the color polishes, I got 2 creams and 4 glitter pack ones. If you would like to take a look at any of these polishes or top coats, I will link everything in the description down below. With everything unpacked, let's get swatching. Make sure to check out Dharma Lacquer at the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye!